Hey guys, hope you're all doing good. In this video, I wanted to show you how you can vary the lift profile in a consistent manner. So one thing is, when you draw the valve, make sure that you constrain all the dimensions which you do not want to change. So in this case, you can see that the setup looks pretty ugly and intense because of all the dimensions, but you need to do that. So in this case, for example, I am setting the size of the critical valve dimensions and angles. When I do that, what I can do is I can just drag a particular line in the valve and I can actually vary the valve lift. For those of you who don't know what valve lift is, it is basically the distance by which your valve is actually pushed open. So in other words, if I basically do something like this, this is where your valve is just about closed, so the valve lift would be 0, and if I just open it like this, that's valve lift of 1 mm. Now you can actually set up the lift accurately. What you can do is you can just use smart dimensions. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to select this point because that's where the valve is going to close first, and select that horizontal line, and I'm just going to set this parameter to 0.002 mm. Okay, and what I can also do is I can just select that guy. If I want to increase it to 8 mm, I can just type in 0.008, and if I hit OK, there we go. Now you can see that it's pushed open by 8 mm. So this is what you need to do to vary your valve lift consistently. And then what you can do is you can put this as a driving dimension in a parametric study, and with that you will be able to run the simulation. All right, thank you, bye.